AATCC test methods are developed by people like you. The process can take time, but it's worth the effort. When someone has an idea for a method they want to see standardized, they can bring a draft to the appropriate AATCC research committee. Feel free to contact the AATCC office to find out which committee is the best fit. Interlaboratory tests, also called interlabs or round robins, are an opportunity to test the method and to develop statistical data. Interested labs volunteer their time to participate in the study. Their feedback and results are used to improve the method. Not every method makes it to the AATCC technical manual. It does take work to get a method published. Often one passionate champion is all that's needed to keep the process moving forward. If you have questions about developing test methods, or if you have an idea for a new test method, contact AATCC staff by phone or email.